We're going to be cooking in our stainless steel griddle this morning. They don't make many stainless steel griddles, especially ones that have an aluminum core. It's a very thick aluminum core, which is really great because stainless steel is not very good for conducting heat. So that thick aluminum base will make the heat very nice. Now, I don't know how old this is. It does say made in USA. I don't know if you can see that, maybe not. The base plate, the steel plate, resembles old West Bend or Ecor, or waterless cookware, but there's no brand on it. It just says made in the USA. Turn the stove to medium. Let's get our eggs. We got our eggs. I made a video of a square steel griddle that I have, and sadly it's not good for these electrical coil burners. It's very large, but it's better for a flat stove, because my burners are not exactly level, even though they read level when I put a level on there. And the square griddle is multiply steel, but it doesn't have the aluminum core, so it doesn't heat up as evenly. You can cook eggs over easy, sunny side up eggs. If you're cooking sunny side up eggs, you might want to put a cover on them on a low heat, and depending on if you want to get any kind of browning. You can make omelets on these, but if you're making scrambled, like really moving them around, they are likely to stick because the steel is not good for a quick stir with the eggs. And when you're done, you can deglaze it with just a little bit of water, and nothing sticks. All right, so I think we're getting there. Okay. Oh, see, now it's already sizzling. It's amazing, because I didn't expect it to sizzle so soon. In fact, you could probably even turn the heat down. And you can get some dry spots. Now what I'm going to do is just slightly tilt this around, cover some of the spots you might have pulled the fat away from. And then one. There's another one of these on eBay right now that's quite expensive. They're asking a lot of money for it. I got this for about $34 shipped. Yesterday they didn't stick at all. They were just sliding around. It was pretty cool. Let's take a look. A little bit of sticking here. Pan might have been a little bit hotter today. At one point they'll just slide. Almost. There it goes. Almost. Not that you have to make them. There it goes. Look at that. The eggs are sliding on stainless steel. Who knew? I need a double whammy so I can pick them up. I'm going to flip this guy. This guy looks already... There you go. We're having success today. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Stainless steel griddle. Who doesn't love this stuff? If you can find a good griddle pan with that aluminum core base, you're set, man. So in a second I'm going to take these off the heat because they cook pretty fast. I think they're done. How quick is that? Ready? Go. One. There's a little stick in there, but watch how it comes off easy. All right. All right, so turn the heat off. I'm going to pour just a little bit of water on here to deglaze. Move the brush around. Usually I do this in the sink, but I wanted to show you just how easy it comes up. So this pan can be moved over here to cool. Let's take a look at our eggs. I think I broke one. Taking it off the pan. Oh, turn the light off. Thanks for watching. Stainless steel cooking, eggs over easy.